To integrate Google Analytics e-commerce tracking, start by creating a Google Analytics account and setting up a property for your website. Next, enable e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account by going to the Admin section, selecting the view for which you want to enable e-commerce tracking, and clicking on E-commerce Settings under the View column. Then, set up your e-commerce platform to send transaction data to Google Analytics. If you are using a popular e-commerce platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce, you can use a plugin or module to simplify the process. If you are using a custom solution, you will need to use the Google Analytics e-commerce tracking code to send transaction data. The e-commerce tracking code consists of two main parts: the transaction tracking code and the item tracking code. The transaction tracking code is used to track the overall transaction, including the transaction ID, revenue, and tax. The item tracking code is used to track individual items within the transaction, including the product name, price, and quantity. To implement the e-commerce tracking code, you will need to add it to the thank you page of your website, which is the page that customers are redirected to after completing a purchase. You can use a tag management system such as Google Tag Manager to simplify the process of adding the code to your website. Once you have set up e-commerce tracking, you can view your e-commerce data in the Google Analytics reports. The e-commerce reports provide valuable insights into your website's sales performance, including the number of transactions, revenue, and conversion rate. You can also use the e-commerce reports to analyze the performance of individual products and categories. To get the most out of e-commerce tracking, make sure to test your implementation to ensure that data is being sent correctly to Google Analytics. You can use the Google Analytics debugger to test your implementation and identify any issues. Additionally, make sure to regularly review your e-commerce reports to identify trends and opportunities for improvement.